Hey guys, Odd Jersey History Hunter here. Today we're going to do a short little video, and it is going to be an unboxing of Teknetics Eurotek metal detector. Awesome little machine. First we'll go a little over it. Teknetics Eurotek metal detector says 8-inch waterproof coil. So the coil is waterproof. Awesome. It's got a large, easy to read LCD display screen right there. Love it. And it is super lightweight, easy to use, and I just love it. Let's open it up. This one is going to go to a friend. I'm not keeping this, but thank you, First Texas. You rock, dudes. So let's get to opening it. Whee! So if you're new to metal detecting, what you want to do is learn the laws in your area. Goodness, they cut this well. Check out a couple videos on YouTube on the machine you're going to get. This is perfect for someone new, even people that have been detecting for years. I actually keep one in my car, but I don't want to keep a $800 machine in my car. This machine is not very expensive. It's a great machine for the price. So here we go. Perfectly packed. Everything you need. Directions, the washers. Don't forget to put the washers in when you put the nut through the for the coil, because you want to have them in. Very cool. Wow, this is light. Whee, it's super light. So let's see what we got. We're going to unbox it here. We got the handle. We got a direction. We got the rod that the coil goes on. We got the center rod. I'm sure that goes in there. You can tell by the little peg and the little holes. This is a tightener. You might want to read the directions when you do this if you're doing it for the first time. I've been detecting, I don't want to give my age away, but over 35 years. So we'll put this together real quick. That's your elbow cuff. That's your coil in the bag. Take it out so you can see it better. Awesome 8-inch coil. Yeah. And this is the actual machine. Ooh, it's beautiful. That's the machine. It comes with the 2 screws in there. And I'll screw in this part by the handle. All right, let's put it together and we'll be right back. All right, so when you put the cuff on, this part on here, don't over tighten it, because you know, stuff snaps when you over tighten it. Make sure you put it on with the cuff part, the big end, this way, not backwards, and then put the rest together. We could take the computer part, the machine, take out the screws, booyah. goes right there. There's 3 holes, so I just put it. Perfect. Perfect. Looks good. Okay, so again with these, just like anything, don't over tighten it. So use the bottom one and the top one. It's nice and secure. This thing's super light and comfy. I love their designs. Love their designs. Alright, dude, so next part we're going to put together the shaft here. We're going to put, so easy breezy. Loosen this tightener. Get your prong ready. You're going to push it in and slide that right in. Alright, so this will put like not too far, because this is where you adjust the height. Kid will push it in further than an adult would, you know, because based on height, but I'm going to use a low one to make it a little bit taller. And then don't tighten it up yet, because you're going to adjust it later. So this is where the coil is going to go. So when you put this on, make sure it's like that, where the sides could screw into the coil. So then this will loosen this one, and basically just do the same thing. Little peg is in there, push it in, there you go, boom. Alright, that just has one hole, so you can tighten that one, locks right in place. And now it'll be lined up, ready to put the coil on. This thing is light, I love it. Don't forget your washers at this point. Now I'm giving this away to someone, so I'm not going to take the washers out. Take the bolt out. So then you take your coil, you put these washers, the red thing, brown, in both sides of the shaft base. Then you put the coil in. Make sure you face it the right way. I've seen many people have their coil on backwards when you're starting out. It happens, you know, it happens. But the easy way to know is the larger side is on the same side as the machine. So once that's in, you put the bolts in right through. I don't want to do all this. Again, don't over tighten it. This you want to move a little bit. Not flimsy, but if you put a little pressure on it, you want it to move. Just hand tighten it, don't go crazy. And then it moves like that. Little bit of pressure. So you can, you know, adjust it. Then you take your cable. I wrap it around starting on the front. Spin not too tight because you want it to be flexible. You don't want to get too tight and pull, you know. You can always neaten it up later. And then you plug it into the base unit. It'll only go one way. There's little pegs in there, line it up with the little pegs there. And Eureka. It'll only go in one way, so don't force it. If it's not going in, there's a reason. You can't see if your vision's not great, just feel around until it moves and it goes right in. And that's it, dudes. Simple, super lightweight. The thing about Teknetics, it's lightweight, it's easy to use. You don't have to charge a million pieces because it takes batteries. If you're in the field and you run out of charge, you're in trouble. If I'm in the field and my batteries die, I got spare in my finds bag. So, Teknetics Eurotek, awesome little machine, easy to use, waterproof coil, lightweight, well balanced. It's one of the main things about Teknetics, well balanced. Pew, pew, love it. Go check out the Eurotek, and above all, have fun. Have fun. Hope this helped. Have a great day and happy hunting.